In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and change your ExpressVPN password. ExpressVPN uses two separate account security tools. The first is your main account password, which you use to sign into the website dashboard and mobile apps. The second is an activation code, which can be used to sign in quickly on desktop apps without entering your password. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to create a password for a new subscription, how to change your current password, how to reset it if you forgot it, and what to do afterward to make sure everything is working properly. If you're setting up a password for a brand new subscription, start by opening a web browser and going to the ExpressVPN setup page. Once you're there, enter your registration or redemption code, or use the activation link from your purchase confirmation. On the setup page, you'll see an option to create your password. Enter a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then type it again in the confirmation field and save it. That completes your main account password setup. If you already know your current password and simply want to change it, go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page and log in to your account. After signing in, you may be asked to enter a temporary verification code sent to your email. Once you pass that security check, open the password or account settings section in your dashboard. Enter your current password, then type your new password and re-enter it to confirm there are no typos. When everything looks correct, click the Save button. At that point, your old credentials will no longer be valid and your updated password will take effect. If you forgot your password completely, go to the sign-in page and click the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address linked to your account and send the reset request. Then open your inbox, find the password reset email from ExpressVPN, and click the reset button inside it. On the secure reset page, enter your new password in both fields and submit it. Once that's done, you can sign back in using your new password. After changing or resetting your password, open the ExpressVPN app on your desktop or mobile device. Sign in again using your email and new password, or use the activation code from your account dashboard if you prefer. Choose a server location and connect. Wait until the app shows that you're connected. Then open a private browser window and visit the ExpressVPN IP check page to confirm that your IP address and location match the server you selected. This final check helps verify that your account access and VPN connection are both working